Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Scotiabank how to get a void check. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to get a void check from Scotiabank, a void check is usually needed for payroll or salary setup, CRA payments, direct deposit or pre-authorized payments. So the method to get a void check is simply head over and open up your Scotiabank application, then tap on the sign in on the bottom of your screen. Now enter your username or card number, then tap on login and enter in your password. Then once you are logged into your account, here what you need to do is from the home screen, simply tap the checking account you want to use. Then once that's done, what you need to do is scroll down and then tap on account details or manage account. Then once that's done, what you need to do is tap on void check or direct deposit form. Look for the option that says void check or direct deposit form and then simply tap on it, and you'll be seeing something like this on your screen. Now a PDF void check opens. All you gotta do now is tap on share option given to you and then save it to anyone via email, upload and then save to files or print it. PDF is an official void check and is fully accepted, and simply download the PDF by tapping on download option. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.